Hi, I'm Elizabeth from Hook and Happy, and today I'm going to show you how to create a 2 double crochet cluster. This tutorial is specifically for anyone following my Around the Reading Rug crochet pattern. We're going to be creating these cluster stitches in round 14 in order to complete the stretched octagon shapes. So let's begin. As with all the other rounds of this pattern, we are starting with a standing stitch, and you can find other tutorials for these on my channel. So let's put a slip knot on the hook and hold the tail out of the way. This is a double crochet stitch, so yarn over first. And then, if you are left-handed, you will need to look for the chain space above the left-hand group of double crochet stitches from round 12. If you are right-handed, you're going to look for any chain space above the right-hand group of double crochet stitches from round 12. When you have found the right spot, insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. Now, holding the tail end in your left hand, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. You now have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, but this time you're going to go back into the chain space. And we're going to do the start of another double crochet. So insert your hook and yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. You should now have 3 loops on your hook again. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And that is your standing 2 double crochet cluster completed. So now we are going to do our second 2 double crochet cluster. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain space, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over again, back into the chain space, yarn over and pull up a loop, then yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. And that completes our second 2 double crochet cluster. Now you can see that we've reduced 4 stitches into 2 for the next round, and you should be able to see a stretched octagon shape. And this is what it looks like when you have lots of them together. I really hope you found this video helpful, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more crochet tips and tutorials from me. Thanks for watching!